Are you ready to start your journey living a healthy, whole foods, energetic lifestyle? Well, I can help you with that. I'm Chef Val. I'm the author of 5 cookbooks, and I've been teaching healthy, whole foods cooking classes for 25 years. All my recipes are vegan, I use all organic ingredients, and my background is in macrobiotic cooking. I just created my Patreon group. So this is a video subscription channel. It's called Chef Val's Whole and Healthy Cooking. There are videos on there where I'm teaching you a recipe such as kale chips, a millet tofu and vegetable casserole, rice pudding. There's even videos on there where I'm teaching you how to make a vegan cake and lots of different desserts such as lemon peel candy. So if you go to the website, macroval.com, just click on the link that takes you over to my Patreon page and you can sign up. You'll have unlimited access to all of my cooking videos. And every week there'll be new ones uploaded. It's like having your own personal chef cooking teacher coming to you every week at your convenience. And you can watch the videos over and over again so that you learn the techniques that I'm teaching, you get all the cooking tips that I teach you, and of course you get the recipes. So head on over to macroval.com and join the Patreon group to get exclusive access to all of these cooking videos. Remember, your journey to eating healthy begins with one small step. Let's take that small step together.